So we start off today's video with this stunning hair color transformation. Wow, beautiful red with a pop of platinum. I love the fullness of the bangs that she has as well. Her hair looks absolutely breathtaking. Hello everyone. Welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we will be taking a look at a variety of hair transformations. So here we have someone else getting ready to make a major hair color change. So it looks like she went with a really pretty soft ginger color, almost strawberry blonde. And then we see someone with long, medium length hair. And she decided to cut the hair into more of like a mid-length bob cut. Very nice. And then we have someone who decided to cut their hair into a bob. Nice, simple, polished bob style. Followed by another bob haircut transformation. I love her split dye hair color. And then she also does a color refresh and more cutting. Wow. Oh, she did a nice mini bob bottleneck bangs. This is gorgeous. And then we have a color transformation. Wow, beautiful copper mixed in with the brunette tone. Oh, this is gorgeous. Very pretty. I really like the dimension that the stylist created with the color. And then we have someone with very bright red hair. So it looks like she wants to try out the baby mullet. I think that this is gonna look really great with the red hair color that she has. Very bold and vibrant. Oh, wow. She looks amazing. I'm loving the color and the cut combination. I knew that the style was going to come out good, but wow, this is just gorgeous. So pretty. So it looks like we have someone else who wants to go red. Oh, it looks like she wants some layers. Wow. Another stunning transformation. She looks beautiful. The stylist is really talented. So we actually have one more hair transformation today, and this one is going to feature textured baby bangs. Alright you guys, I hope you have enjoyed checking out all of these hairstyle ideas with me today. If you did, please be sure to give this video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.